Croeso is the Welsh word for welcome. It'll be seen throughout Wales and throughout the 2010 Ryder Cup. Our Croeso is about making visitors feel welcome. Our warm Welsh welcome is genuinely meant. It's all about making sure that the first impression is a memorable one for the right reasons, making people feel part of a real, human and magical Welsh experience.
It's a way of supporting the industry and anybody who is going to come into contact with visitors and with people attending the Ryder Cup to give a positive experience, an experience that is unique and specially Welsh, has a flavour to it and is also great service.
Is it important? Absolutely. Think about if you go somewhere, not necessarily on holiday, but to a restaurant or to a venue. If you're treated badly or as if you're of no interest or of no importance, how likely are you to return? The more complete and enjoyable their experiences and memories, the more likely visitors are to return.
I think it's about going that extra mile and sharing a little bit of yourself. It's about that giving the professional service, but sharing a bit of your spirit and your soul. You know, we call it kind of calon in Wales, and it's kind of giving the visitor a little bit extra.